Hello, today we're going to draw a picture with the letter I, and I says if. Alrighty, here we go. Now, I'm going to draw an I. Whoops, I'm going to do it with my black. Straight down, right? But we're going to make a black I. So it's going to go like this, up, and that. We made a rectangle, and it's going to serve the purpose as the straight line down for our eye. And then we got to dot our eye. Alrighty, so we have the first part of it. Now we're going to give this guy a neck. This is called taking a human for a walk. So I think there's going to be a picture of a dog soon too. Bring it down for its neck. Got that? And there we go. Now he's got a neck, and it looks like maybe a shirt collar. All right, it's not going to work very well if we don't give him some eyes. He's got some glasses on. So we're going to make kind of half circles. Just like that. Can you see that? I think you can. And a little squiggly nose. And he's a happy guy. So there's his happy face. Now we are going to put the glasses on him. And he's got some eyebrows up at the top. All right. All right. The next step is giving him some arms. And it's just kind of, you're starting right here at the corner. You're going to go down. Just like that, almost like a triangle. And on the other side, we're going to make him symmetrical. So we're going to put the same thing on the other side. Just like that. All righty, now we're going to give him some legs, and that's pretty simple. Straight up, and now he's got his legs. Give him some ears. Whoops, that might have been an extra big ear, but that's all right. I guess some people have extra big ears. And his belt, or where his belt would go, his waist. All righty, let's give this guy some hair. Right there's his hair. And there is his arms. Right there. And we might get rid of that. That's why it's always nice to work with a pencil. And he needs some feet. And this is all you have to do. Give a half circle down at the bottom on the inside of your eye. There we go. And he's got a leash that he's holding right back here. And then he's got a dog on it. And the dog we can just put right there with him. And it's going to kind of go like that. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on the dog because that's not the purpose of my picture. But you certainly can add as many details as you would like. So that's it. That's our guy walking the dog, or the dog walking the guy. And it started with a lowercase I that says if. Here are the simple steps, or here are the steps. And you can finish it off in as much detail as you want. Just like that. Wasn't that fun? All right, guys, have a great day.